Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming access. Verify the Sharepoint site URL and that you have list permissions. Once confirmed, open Excel for Microsoft 365 or a supported version. This ensures the Get Data connector is available. Now, choose Data, then Get Data, then from Online Services. This begins the connection flow. You do this because Excel uses an online connector to understand list schemas. Make sure to pick from SharePoint Online List when prompted so Excel targets the list structure. You enter the SharePoint site root URL, not the item page, so Excel can enumerate lists. Next, authenticate with your work or school account. Use organizational account to pass tokens securely. Once authenticated, Excel shows the navigator with available lists and views. Select the exact list you need. If the data needs cleaning, click Transform Data to open Power Query and shape columns and types. Otherwise, click Load to bring the list into Excel as a table that preserves column types and list metadata. After selecting the list, click Load or Load to if you want to pivot or to add to the data model. This creates a linked table. Once loaded, you can refresh from Data Refresh all to sync changes from SharePoint. If you encounter errors, re-authenticate first because token expiration is common. Next, confirm you use the site root URL and that your account still has list permissions. Also check for mismatched column types. Power Query can fail if a column suddenly changes data type on the list.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.